take a look at things we've never looked at before, or look at things in a new light, in a new way, and just be prepared to take on those challenges. You can do it in this classroom setting without fear of any discrimination or being downcast and things, because we're here to help you learn and help you test things out. The skills that we try to teach you is to be able to look at a situation, analyze it, critically analyze it, and come up with concise recommendations.